Previously on Talent Search Cymru. 8 talents battled for a place in the top 6 as they sank for survival at the final showdown.
I felt like, again, you've played it very safe.
You just have such a talent and you are so special.
If you are successful tonight, I don't want to see you how you was this week. I don't want to see that again.
And 2 acts was eliminated. Tonight, it's the quarterfinals, making Talent Search Cymru history.
Last week I was getting ready to send you both out. This week I'm blown away.
For me, that has been your crowning moment.
I never would have picked this song for you. I mean, you're so versatile.
Who does 500 miles like that? You.
Oh yes, guys, it's the quarterfinals.
Ladies and gents, it's the quarterfinals.
Cause baby, we both know this is not our time. It's time to say goodbye. This is not the end. Nothing left to say. Far take away until we find a way. Violins playing as the angels crying. When the stars are lighting, I'll be there. No one to care about the world. All I want is to be loved, and all I care about is you. You stuck on me like a tattoo. No, I don't care about the pain. I'm the fire and the rain, just to get closer to you. You stuck on me like a tattoo. I'm letting my hair down. I'm taking control. You got my face in my heart. Don't lose it, my friend. I've got it all. Violins playing as the angels crying. When the stars are lighting, I'll be there. No one to care about the pain, no for the fire and the rain, just to get closer to you. You stuck on me like a tattoo. No one to care about the pain and the fire and the rain, just to get closer to you. You stuck on me like a tattoo. All I care about is
This is the first time in Talent Search history that we have had talents in the quarterfinals 18 and under.
This is your top 6 quarterfinalists!
6 incredible talents ready for a place in the semi-finals.
Kicking off tonight's quarterfinals, can we please have the best of order for the youngest left in the process, just 11 years of age, little powerhouse Riley! Round of applause, guys. Up you come, Riley.
To dream the impossible dream, to find the unbeatable.
will be better for this. That one boy, scorned and covered with scars, still slow with his left arm to correct to reach the unreachable star, to reach the
Wow. I mean, Riley, you've had a lot of big moments during the show, but for me, that has been your crowning moment. That was absolutely beautiful. I mean, you just showed off a lot of different sides of your voice that you don't use as much, because obviously, very early on, you were just belting your way through the competition. But now, like your last performance as well, you showed off the more technicality. You even used your head voice there. You did some beautiful runs. You had a mixed note, all different elements. You just show in each and every week. And to be honest, your progression is astounding. That was your best performance by far. It was beautiful. Came off the mic stand, even started moving again. Like it's quite, a big song, and you've done it justice. So be very proud of yourself, guys. A great way to start the show.
Riley, well done. I mean, this is for a place in the semi-finals, and you didn't play it safe this week. That song is so technical, and it goes from melody. It's not an easy song to sing. It goes a little bit everywhere, and you handled it very, very well. I loved the same as Declan, that you showed lots of different sides to you. Even in the beginning of the competition, when you were trying to do, your lighter voice, it wasn't polished. You didn't have much control, I felt, in the beginning of the competition. You've progressed so much now, where you're not just as, when you're in your belt, you're insane, but it's not, you need to be there now. You can do it in your softer voice, in your chest voice. So well done, because I agree that was your best performance to date. Well done, that was incredible.
This song in particular is, firstly, a lot of people who know this, there's been a lot of people who've done this over the years. Matt Monro, obviously more recent Jennifer Hudson, and a lot of big, powerful, soulful singers. And for an 11-year-old, and like I've said before, a tiny 11-year-old, because you were small, you are a small human being. And for somebody to be able to hold that much range, especially in that last section, is remarkable. And I want to revert all the way back to the auditions when you first came into the process. And I remember saying to you that a star is born. This is another journey that we're seeing, which I compared you to the likes of, obviously, a female version, Gracie Jane, who did the process. This gutsy, soulful, big voice. Look, don't get me wrong. They're challenges. They're not easy songs. So when we listen to you, we can hear that you're still growing, you're still developing. We all understand that. You're 11 years of age, But it goes to show the ability you have and what could come from this. And I can assure you now that this is your path. This is your path in future. And we are going to be seeing you do successful things. And people will see that, in 6 months, 12 months time, when they go, oh, I remember seeing him in Talent Search coming. That is going to happen. I've seen it happen before. It's going to happen with you. Well done, buddy. Absolute smash the start tonight. Well done, Riley. Round of applause, guys. Well done, buddy. Up next, can we please have the best of order and a massive round of applause for Grace!
Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. screaming out at God. I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. It's dead and gone. No, I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. And now you're in the stars, and 6 feet never felt so far. Now here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a million different reasons. You took the best of my heart, left the rest in pieces. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. No, I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. And now you're in the stars, and 6 feet never felt so far. Now here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. It hurts so hard for a million different reasons. You took the best of my heart, left the rest in pieces. Thank you. Sorry, I turned the mic off.
Fantastic as always. I do want to reiterate your point, Joey, that it was a professional move the way you handled that. You kept singing, you stayed with beat, and you just went straight back into the song. I would have stayed laser focused on that mic, and I would have forgot where I was in the song. So well done. That just shows you maturity and experience already. So with a song, like, I didn't know how you were obviously going to top previous performances, because you just keep topping them. I don't know how, but that was, yes, your best performance to date. I just feel like you just really just showed, wow. Because those notes as well, like, you even done a run doing that note, and you just held it for ages. And I was like, how? Just, how have you got that breath control? Like, because, like, again, you're tiny like Riley, so like, I don't get how you guys get so much air in your lungs, honestly. But no, that was a fantastic performance.
Grace, I was going to say the same thing, to be honest, in terms of just get this bit out the way, turning the mic off. I'm actually glad it happened, because you've been so flawless throughout everything that I would never be able to judge what would have happened if something went wrong. Are you going to cry and run off? We don't know that, because you've never had any fault in any performance. So I'm actually glad that happened, because I can see that what you would do. You'd stand there and you'd carry on like the professional that you are. So well done for that, firstly. The song, I gotta be honest, I never would have picked this song for you. I mean, you're so versatile and you show us so many different genres. I mean, this is a really current song and very soulful. And I know you can sing anything beautifully, but I gotta be honest, the emotion you put into that surprised me. And it was beautiful. I know Declan said this is your best performance. I still prefer Ashes, I gotta be honest. That, for me, I don't know if you're ever gonna beat that, because I would buy that tomorrow. I won't even listen to the original, because I prefer yours. But this, I would say, is a very close second. I love that you made it your own. Like that run and that progression on that long note. How you done that, I don't even know. So well done. You are incredible, and I loved watching you then.
Grace, again, like we just said to Riley, you kind of prove the standard of what we have found this series. And that's down to you and everyone else left in the top 6, because it blows my mind. I mean, we always see talent coming through, but the standard in the youngsters this series is mind-boggling. Like, and this is how you're all here, because you've just been like, wow, I'm gonna make it here. I'm gonna fight, and it's amazing. Anyway, in regards to you and what you've done so far this journey, again, like Lily picked up, everything you've done has been faultless, right? So it is good that happened, because it showed us that, wait there, this is how pro she is. She won't run off stage. She's going to handle this like a pro. And you did. You didn't even phase it. Beautiful. Look, it's hard to compare for me with everything you've done, because everything you've done has been so wonderful. And that kind of shows the professional level and the skill that you've got at your age. And I want you to know that this was, again, another beautiful performance. The fact that you've started becoming more original to what Grace can do instead of just coming out powering the songs is incredible. And I did say to you in the week about the creative mind that you have, you know, in terms of going away and chopping your tracks and making them your arrangements. And, you know, we got to remember this is all new to you and you are flowing everything. You know, I can see you taking my job. That's what I can see happening in the next 10
don't see
years.
that.
You'll take it. But Grace, honest to God, quarterfinals, you should be so proud of yourself. Beautiful performance. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Round of applause, guys. Well done, Grace. Up next, can we please have the best of order and a massive round of applause up to the front for Kelsey. Up you come, Kelsey.
And the two of us need look no more. We both found what we were looking for. With a friend to call my own, I'll never be alone. And you, my friend, will see you've got a friend in need. You got a friend and you're always running here and there. You feel you're not wanted anywhere. If you ever look behind and don't like what you find, it's something you should know. You've got a place to I used to say I am me. Now it's us. Now it's we.
I used to say I am me. Now it's all. Now it's we.
And those people would turn you away. I don't listen to a word they say. They don't see you like I do. I wish they would try to. I'm sure they'd think again if they had a friend like that. Like
Again, a very beautiful performance personally. I mean, it's a very emotional song anyway, so I feel like you had to be emotional with it, which you were. You clearly were. Performance-wise as well, I did like the way you were moving your hands with the song, here or there, where you put your hands to the side. Stuff like that. It's just nice little touches because it does add to the performance and it shows that you know exactly what the song is. It's almost like you choreographed it in the way Forget Me. And that's always great to see because as an artist, you also need to be a performer, not just a vocalist, which you're showing both elements right there. Belting wise, yeah. I mean, you're holding them notes, you keep them straight. You don't lose the note. You're like laser focused on that note, and I love that. Like you never like stray off track. There's a few sharp notes I found, but I think it was just a moment where you were too close to the mic, but you completely sorted that out towards the end anyway. So I feel like again, you noticed it yourself. The only thing I'd say, like going further on in the competition, if you are successful tonight, I'd just like to see you try something a little bit more technical. Try and move your voice a bit more, get more creative with it, because I noticed you just keep your voice very straight. I would just love to see you start doing some runs and stuff and just see where you can push your voice, because it'll just be a development and it'll be a great way for you just to continue moving forward. So I feel like just maybe try something a little bit more technical. But at the end of the day, your performance and well done. Be very proud of yourself.
Kelsey, well done. Look, you've done extremely well throughout this competition. You've developed all the way through. You've challenged yourself, and you've challenged yourself again this week. I mean, you've gone from doing these bubbly, high energy songs to something completely stripped back. And I can hear that it's a challenge for you at some points. Some things were a little bit sharp, some notes were a little bit pitchy, but to be honest with you, I'm so proud of you that you don't stay in a box. You know, you do try, and you will explore anything and everything to try and figure out your voice and get it better and better every week. So it was another great performance, and I'd be really proud of myself. Well done.
Kelsey, I know how you felt. Like we spoke earlier on briefly, but then I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I still know the notes. I mean, it's quite intense to do a song, you know, literally Friday night, wasn't it? Was it Friday night? Friday night we selected this. So it was very last minute. I'm glad you went for this choice because, again, like, I know Declan just picked up, he'd like to something more technical, but the trouble with that is just not your voice. So to get somebody to do something that's not them would not work. It'd be a failure. You are known, like I said to you, like the theatre stuff, like Annie and stuff like that. You got that lovely, like, sort of pretty tone that works for these characters, like even like Oliver stuff and music from there. You know, that's the sort of feel that you're in. That's your lane. And this kind of pulls off perfectly for that, because when Michael Jackson sang it, he was a baby, he was a little boy, you know? So he had that sort of young texture to his voice, and that's why it worked well for you. So the song choice was perfect. There was a few nerves, don't get me wrong, I could hear it coming out only now and again, but let me tell you now, you pulled through that more than I expected, because the way you spoke by there just now was like you really did know some of them parts, and you actually did it. You've done it. So be proud of what you've done, because you've come into the quarterfinal, you've taken on that challenge last minute, and you just did that. So be really, really proud of yourself, all right? Well done.
Thank you.
Round of applause, guys. Well done, Kelsey. Well done, girl. Up next, can we please have the best of order and a massive round of applause for Charlie! Up you come, Charlie. Up you come, buddy. All right then, so Charlie, quarterfinals, buddy. Do you want to tell us all what you're going to be singing?
I'm going to be singing Labyrinth, Jealous, but I'm going to be singing it a cappella.
It's a beautiful song. Big risk this is, buddy. All right? Remember to breathe now. Right?
I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind that ripples through your clothes. It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind. 'Cause I wished you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back. Tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. I'm jealous of the nights that I don't spend with you. I'm wondering who you lay next to. Oh, I'm jealous of the night. I'm jealous of the love that wasn't here, gone for someone else to share. Oh, I'm jealous of the love, 'cause I wished you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say that you're happy without me.
This is a moment we've been waiting for since you joined this process, Charlie. This is your moment. First of all, yeah, it is very risky. I mean, you took a song and you've done it a cappella at this stage of the competition. I would say it's a massive risk. Did the risk pay off? Absolutely. That was sensational. Because, I mean, you've got a very current sound anyway. We've spoke about this all the way through. You have got a current sound. You've got such a nice, rich, earthy texture to your voice. It's very gritty and it's just, it would fit in the charts right now on any song. The song choice perfect for you. You tested your voice though. You went for them big notes. You've done some runs. You were doing new things. Just test yourself. I love that because you're taking a massive risk doing acapella anyway, and then you're pushing your voice even more. Just keep doing that. Just keep testing yourself because you can stand up to these tests. I spoke to you before, obviously earlier today, and you were more relaxed than I've ever seen you, and that's something I love to see as well because obviously you've been a bundle of nerves all the way through this competition, and to see you come here relaxed and just do that performance.
Charlie, that was a massive risk to take. But I'm so glad you did. Honestly, I'm so excited. I'm trying to hold it in. I was really nervous about the timing. Obviously, this week, I'll be honest with you, I think we all would have said you had to go home if you had the timing wrong this week. And what a genius you are. Take away the music. If it was that simple. But let me tell you something, and not everyone might not realize this. There are not a lot of people who would stand there and do a cappella for 3 minutes and it would sound nice. Honestly, you might do, a beginning or a chunk and it'll sound like, oh, that's risky, oh, that's different. Not many people would sound nice doing that. Your tone is so beautiful. I could hear everything. And to be honest, I preferred it to when there's a track because I can hear those like husky notes coming up on your top notes. I can hear the earthy sound. I heard so much more of your voice then than I ever have before. And it was sensational. Well done.
Charles, I mean, look, we got to cast ourselves again, on your journey. And, like in 10 years of doing this, I've never been in a position where one thing, like this journey is about music, obviously, but it's about so much more than that. It's the connections, the friends you make, the family that you come into is just astonishing, the energy and that's in the network. But one thing I've never been in a situation, like I said to you last week, I've never been in a situation where I can't fix what we need to fix. And, I know some people know, but, when you came into this, something we've established through this is that this is the guy who has an imbalance in his year. And we need to all take that in for a second when I say that, because what this means is that his brain and his ear is telling him something is faster or slower than it should be. So that's something this guy has to deal with outside of the singing competition. And the reason I'm bringing this up, Charlie, is because I applaud you for still carrying on. There was a few weeks ago where you was like, I can't do them up because of the pressure that's put on you. It's not just the pressure of finding a song. It's a pressure of me on it saying, right, no, we need one that's going to sit in time and not going to think. And it's been so difficult for you, for the family, for us to really make these performances work up here. And this is why I want to give you credit, because you carried on through that issue and you said, "Do you know what? This is what I want to do. I'm going to keep pushing forward." And I can have a round of applause for that, guys, because to me, that's a big deal. But we got there because tonight, what this actually done, like, it was a huge risk anyway, because any mistakes and anything like that is more vulnerable to be shown to everyone listening. And what it also done for us tonight was we really got to hear how current, how soulful, how unique you are. And I'll be honest, so far this is my standout vocal tonight for me, from what I've just witnessed. So be proud of yourself. Well done.
Thank you, guys.
Well done, Charlie. Well done, buddy. Guys, can I have a round of applause for my team? I think they're amazing. What would I do if I didn't have these? Up next, can we please have the best of order and a massive round of applause for Madison! Round of applause, guys, for Madison. Up you come, Maddie.
There's no time for us. There's no place for us. What is this thing that builds our dream and slips away from us? Who wants to live forever? Touch my tears with your lips. Touch my well with your fingertips. And we can have forever. And we can love forever. Is our strength. Who wants to live forever? Who wants to live forever? Forever is our strength. Who waits forever anyway?
I want to applaud you at first for keeping your composure with that little timing issue, because all you do is you just stretch out a note and then straight back into it. Like, being able to find your timing that way is really hard, especially because it's a very like simplistic riff. It's like no drum beat, was there? So I mean, that's really difficult to find your timing. So to actually find your timing again, I just think I want to applaud you for that. Performance-wise, I just want to talk about your hand movements and stuff. You opened up to us because it's a big song and you need to do that. So I just like the way you like presented yourself tonight. The dress is great, the movements were great, and you just really carried yourself really well. Vocally, again, this song showed off a lot of nice elements to your voice, especially during the chorus. I would have liked maybe a little bit of change during the chorus, if you just like maybe hit a different note, even went higher maybe. But obviously, there's all change. That's hindsight. I mean, what you actually done with the song though was lovely. I think you should be very proud of yourself because that's another strong performance by you.
Maddie, well done. Like Joey said, this is a really difficult song to sing. And it's actually quite a mature song, I think, in terms of even the lyrics, it's just a very mature song. And you handled it really well. Like Declan said, yeah, there was a slight timing issue in the start. You picked it up and you handled it really well. You just carried on, and that's all we can ever ask of anybody. I loved the way you presented yourself tonight, actually. I agree with Declan. I think it was probably the best you've ever presented yourself in terms of performance and opening up and opening your arms. It really did help me to connect with you and the song. So well done for that. Vocally, again, you know, you've just got this natural talent. And when you're up in that belt and you really open up your chest, you just astonish me. The notes you can hold on your chest are ridiculous. They're ridiculous. And you've done yourself really proud again tonight. So well done.
Madison, like I said, this isn't an easy song to do. And again, I saw you on Friday, didn't I?
Yeah.
I saw you Friday. And so to do a song like this, such an iconic Freddie Mercury vocal technique, and for you to put that into your interpretation of the song at the age of 12 is remarkable, all right? It takes guts, absolute guts. And I applaud you for that. Obviously, there was a bit of nerves. I don't know if it's where you was unsure of the time in the beginning. And that's only because of the pressure of the competition, I think. And you know it's heating up and everyone's wonderful, including yourself. But that's natural to feel like that. You actually held yourself really, really well. You look stunning. The song was perfect for you. It showed off that massive range you've got. Be really proud of what you've done tonight. And don't let any nerves beat you, ever. Don't ever let it beat you. You beat the nerves. Remember that. All right? Well done. Round of applause, guys.
Thank you.
Well done, Madison. Well done, girl. Best of all, and a round of applause for Jaden. Round of applause for Jaden, guys. Up you come, buddy.
When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's waking up to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. When I'm working, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. When I'm dreaming, yeah, I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you. And I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more, just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's waking up to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. When I come home, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. When I'm dreaming, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who dreams along with you. And I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more, just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. And I would walk 500 more, and I would walk 500 more, just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I wake up, well, I hope I'm gonna be the man who comes along with you. And when I go home, yeah, I hope I'm gonna be the man who goes home with you.
I mean, we've just seen risk after risk this episode, and that was a massive risk to take such an iconic song that pretty much everyone in the world knows at this point, and then just do it in a completely different way that was so authentic to who you are. I mean, like, yeah, I love that because it showed you creativity, for one. You made it your own, and it was a success. It was a very well-calculated risk because it worked. I mean, performance-wise as well, that's the best you performed because you proper got into it. Your hands were going everywhere. You were the emotion on your face, your facial expressions. I love when you sing because you put everything behind it. You were fighting for your spot tonight. And that's great. You need to have a fighter spirit and come out here and fight, which you just did. Again, like I said, like, you've got such a current sound to your voice as well. You've got such a gritty, deep tone to your voice. And the way you harshen the notes as you went for the chorus, I really liked because it just showed like the harshness behind your voice, that strength, that power. And to be honest, man, I did love this performance. I think it's the best performance you've done thus far because it just was so authentically Jayden.
Jayden, I actually can't believe what you just done. Can I be brutally honest with you now? In the week, obviously you wouldn't let us see this performance. You wanted it to be a big surprise. And then I found out it was 500 Miles by the Proclaimers. And I'm not going to lie to you, I thought he's had it. You cannot come to a quarter-final singing 500 Miles. And what you just done there has absolutely blown my mind, if I'm honest, because I was genuinely already in my mind like, he's not going to nail this for a quarter-final. It's not going to work. So I love the creativity there. And I do think, like, what it is with you, I think, is we need to still establish what type of artist you are, where you fit, where your sound is. This is definitely the beginning of doing that. This was by far, I think, the song that has suited you and your tone and what you do best, by far. And it was the right time for you to bring it. You needed to bring it this week, and you have. So well done. I'm so proud of you, and honestly, you should be proud of yourself, because you wanted to surprise me, and you have. Well done.
Jayden, even though you were still growing vocally and still starting to, get your breathing right and that, in terms of artistry and creativity, this is an identity that works. This is an identity that works now in 2023. And this is why I love this performance. And this is why the performances we've seen, this is now my favorite performance tonight. All right. I want you to know that because it was just so unique. It was so rare. Who does 500 Miles like that? You. That's what you just done. You just took one of the most cheesiest songs of all time and you made it sound current, more unique, more individual. Look, we know that you're still growing. Everyone in the process is still growing vocally and learning new things, right? But in terms of identity, you absolutely floored this tonight because Lily picked up, it's like like we're really starting to see where you sit as an artist. That is exactly what we're seeing. You should be so proud of yourself, buddy, because that tone, the style, the way you presented yourself, the song choice. I want to just point out quickly, like I last week I was quite brutal, not brutal, but I was quite, brutal with you, with you and Charlie in particular. And I'll be honest, these are the performances that have stood out like a sore thumb to me tonight. So you've literally snapped my head in two, because last week I was getting ready to send you both out. This week I'm blown away. You, honest to God, and I spoke to Charlie then, but Jayden, you need to be really impressed by what you've just done up there, buddy. Please keep this sort of identity, the uniqueness that you bring with the songs, taking like songs that shouldn't sound unique. Keep that in mind, because it does something for you as an artist. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, buddy. Round of applause, guys. How did everyone feel about that? Fantastic, fantastic. So guys, we're going to go to a break, and when we come back, we are going to be having our guest performances up.
To be considered for the next series, apply now at www.musicwales.org. Don't forget to read the small print, and good luck.
Just before we get to those results, guys, and decide on our semi-finalists, top 5, of course, we've got some incredible talent coming up here tonight from the network to perform for you all. I can't wait for you all to see them. Are we all ready for this? Amazing. Round of applause then, guys. Let's do this. All right, then. Kicking off this section, can we please have the best of order up to the front for Natasha Weston. Up you come, Natasha. Tash, does it feel weird performing on that stage to what it was when it was your series?
It's absolutely terrifying.
Is it more scarier?
It really is. It's absolutely terrifying. And before I start as well, I want to say, everyone I've seen, I've been watching every single week, and you're all absolutely incredible. It's making me more nervous now to perform for you all. Honestly, it's outstanding. Birds in the sky, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Yeah, it's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. The blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonflies in the sun, you know how I feel, don't you know? Butterflies having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when the day's done, that's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world and a cold world for me. I'm in the shine, you know how I feel. The sand on the pine, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Ooh, la, 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 la. And I'm feeling good. Thank you very much.
Can we please have the best of order and a massive round of applause up to the front for Rob Crowley. Up you come, buddy.
To all the contestants tonight, even the ones that have didn't get through from the beginning, superb round of applause for each and every one of you. You're all winners, and welcome to this family, because that's what we are now, is a huge, huge family. Baby cried the day the circus came to town, 'cause she didn't like parades just passing by her. She played on a smile and took off the wisdom cloud. She danced upon a net without a wire. I know a lot about her, 'cause you see, not like me. We don't cry out loud and keep it inside and learn how to hide your feelings. My high and proud, and if you should fall, remember you almost had it all. Baby cried the day they pulled a big top down. They left behind the dreams among the litter. Well, a different kind of love she thought she found. There was nothing left but sawdust and some glitter. But baby can be broken, 'cause you see, she's had the greatest teacher, that was me. We don't cry out loud and keep it inside and learn how to hide your feelings. Fly high and proud, and if you should fall, remember you almost had it all. We don't cry out loud and keep it inside and learn how to hide your feelings. Fly high and proud, and if you should fall, remember you almost had it. Thank you.
Ah, well done, Rohan. Up for us next now, we've got a wonderful dance duo that's coming to perform for you all today, something a little bit different from the singing. So can I please welcome these very talented dancers up to the front, Ellie and Tegan. Round of applause, guys.
All this time I was wasting hoping you would come around. I've been giving out chances every time, and all you do is let me down. And it's taken me this long, baby, but I figured you out. And you're thinking we'll be fine again, but not this time around. You don't have to come anymore. I won't pick up the phone. This is the last straw. Don't wanna hurt anymore. And you can tell me that you're sorry, but I don't believe you, baby, like I did before. You're not sorry. No, no.
Well done, girls. Beautiful work. Round of applause for them, guys. And what a beautiful song choice too. Well done, girls. So, Jules, obviously, you're out there sharing your singing with the world. I can see everything's going really, really well and stuff. Is it always interesting to come back and see what it's like? Like, because obviously you haven't been here yet, like it is about.
Yeah, it's changed, like, it's done a 360 since I've been here, to be honest with you. But it's nice to see it all. It's nice to see the upgrade, like the progress everyone's come at. It's nice to see all the kids as well, the under 18s smashing it. Yeah, it's just really nice to see you come back.
I'm really looking forward to seeing this. Guys, you're in for a treat. You ready?
Yeah.
Ladies and gents, round of applause, please. Josie Davis, here we go.
It's not simple to say that most days I don't recognize me. These shoes and this apron, this place and its patrons have taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be, and although it's true, I was never attention's sweet center, I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tried. She is good, but she loves. She is hard on herself. She is broken but won't ask for help. She is messy but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all this mixed up and bathed in a beautiful pie. She is gone and she used to be mine. And it's not what I asked for. Sometimes life just slips in through a back door and carves out a person and makes you believe it's all true. But now I found you, and you're not what I asked for. But if I'm honest, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite an ending or two for that girl that I knew would be reckless. Just see who gets hurt, but she learns how to toughen up when she's bruised and gets used by a man who can love. And then she'll get stuck and be scared of the life that's inside her, growing stronger each day till it finally reminds her to fly just a little, to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone, but it used to be mine. Used to be mine. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's always mixed up and bathed in a beautiful pie. She was gone, but she used to be mine.
Up next, we've got a singer actually the only child to make the final last series, literally last series. And she was the only youngster to make the final. And there's a reason why, and you'll get to see that now. So it's an honor to have her back. Can we please have the best of order up to the front from last series, Ruby! Have you come, Rube? Look, she's got a little bit taller. Look at her. Rube, how is it feeling? Because obviously, like, last series was the first series we filmed in this new venue. So you got to see how this is and everything like that. Does it still feel a little bit like exciting or nervous to go up there and perform?
To be honest, I'm like so excited to be back on the stage because I know it hasn't been long, but it feels like forever.
Yeah.
And I'm just so excited to sing tonight.
I can't wait to hear it.
Also, I want to say that I'm so proud of all the kids in this season because, as Joey said, I was the only child that made it to the finals. I'm just so proud that it's like all kids because like it just shows that what we've got.
Yeah, amazing standard. All right then, Rube. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
The track will start and you go for it, right?
What have I done? I wish I could run away from this ship going under. Just trying to help out everyone else. Now I feel the weight of the world is on my shoulders. What can you do when your good isn't good enough? And all that you touch tumbles down. It's my best intentions keep making a mess of things. I just wanna fix it somehow. But how many times will it take? How many times will it take for me to get it right? So I throw up my fist, throw a punch in the air, and I tell myself that sometimes life is endless. I'll send out a wish, I'll send up a prayer, and finally someone will see how much I care. What can you do when your days are good enough? And all that you touch tumbles down. How much intentions keep making a mess of things. I just wanna fix it somehow. How many times will it take? How many times will it take to get it right?
That's how you do. Well done, Ruby. Absolutely stunning. And that falsetto was ridiculous. Beautiful, Ruby. Well done, Ruby. All right, guys. So we got time for one more special performance now. And this one is from an incredible soulful singer who's going to show something a little bit different tonight too. But also I want to announce that this girl actually got crowned the representative in her series. So you're in for a treat tonight. She's absolutely incredible. She always just said, shut up, Joe, like that. But it is the truth. And I want to welcome her up to the front for you guys. In for a treat, one of our previous winners, Chloe Laws. Here we go.
Turn
darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. I love him, but only on my own.
Oh, well done, Chloe. Amazing. So, guys, what do we think of our guests? Absolutely incredible. I just want to say to all our guests, I'm really, really proud to see that you're all still doing this. Some of you has been a few years, some of you has been months, but to see you all go on and have careers in music is an absolute pleasure for me to see. So I just wanted to put that out there because you're all doing incredible, all right? So well done, guys. In no particular order, the first person going through to next week's semi-finals and into the top 5 is Charlie. Jayden. Riley. Grace. Okay, girls, be very, very proud of yourselves, all right? This has been an honor on both of you, but we have only got one more position for one of you in next week's semi-final. This journey wouldn't be the same without either of you. I just want to make that perfectly clear. And just remember, you are both joining the network that's there to support you after this, so keep that in mind too, right? This is a celebration. Here we go. In no particular order, the last position going into next week's semi-final goes to Madison. Well done, Madison. Okay, I want to come to Kelsey. Kels, breathe, girl. You got this. Remember this experience. This is the start of your journey, remember, all right? This is not the end. Don't ever think this is the end. I've said this on numerous weeks that your dedication is astonishing, all right, to music. Don't lose that. Don't lose it. You're here for a reason, top 6. Be proud of it. First time coming into something like this. First time coming into a process like this, and you've made it to this part of the process. Be really, really proud of yourself, Kelsey. You need to be proud. It is emotional because we're all here, we all want to do well and stuff, but this is an achievement, all right? Please look at it as an achievement. You've made the top 6 of Talent Search Cymru, probably one of the toughest talent process you'll ever do in Wales. And you've made it to the top 6, so please take that on board, all right? Well done. Round of applause for the guys. Kels, obviously, you've had friends and family and people support you through this journey. Is there anything you'd like to say to them on your journey and stuff?
I just want to say good luck to everyone. Sorry.
Kels, it's not the end, it's the beginning. And you're more than welcome to still come along. Don't think this is the end. You are part of this network now,
Yeah,
right?
no one act like me, okay?
But look, Kelsey, it's been an absolute pleasure, right? And look, you can walk away from this remembering that you've come a long way. You've come a long way from where you was, coming into this to where you are now. So please keep that in mind when you leave the process. And just remember, I've learned a lot from this. And look, the proof is in the pudding. You and everyone else in the finale, in the next stage, you are all talented and you know that. So well done. Be proud, right? Yeah. Round of applause for the guys. Well done, Kels. That does conclude the quarterfinals. And here comes the semi-finals. Top 5, a big well done to them once again. Riley, Grace, Charlie, Madsen and Jada. And we will see you all when you come out and fight for the performance in the finale next week. We will see you all soon, guys. Good night and God bless. Thank you. Ladies and gents, a round of applause for your top 5 semi-finalists!